Okay, I'm making this blueberry dump cake, crumb cake. I have a yellow mix, and I got a yellow mix that didn't have eggs in it. And you are just going to spread it all out, just make it even. And then you're going to take a half a cup of margarine, margarine, and just take little pieces and put all over your crust. See how I have just pieces of the margarine everywhere, just kind of in chunks. I tried to get it smaller. And then I'm going to take my blueberry pie filling, and I'm just going to start distributing this everywhere. And you can see I have it all just distributed, and then I have a half a cup of chopped walnuts. I'm just going to cover the top. I got my walnuts covered. My oven is preheating at 350. It's going to go for about 30-35 minutes. It's just a four ingredients. Real easy, really fast, tastes yummy. Wait till you try it. Thank you, have a good day. Okay, it just came out of the oven.